Firebase is a platform developed by Google. It gives you a bunch of tools to build web applications. These tools are super useful. They can save you lots of time and effort. Firebase handles things like databases, authentication, and hosting. This lets you focus on building awesome features. CRUD operations are super important in web development. CRUD stands for create, read, update, and delete. These are the basic actions you perform on data. Every time you interact with an app, you're probably using CRUD. Think about posting a comment, liking a photo, or even just loading a web page. Firebase makes it really easy to perform CRUD operations. It provides a simple and intuitive API. This API lets you interact with your database in real time. You can add, read, update, and delete data with just a few lines of code. Plus, Firebase handles all the complicated back-end stuff for you. CRUD operations are the backbone of how we interact with data online. Let's break down what each operation means. Create. This is when you add new data to your database. Think about signing up for a new account or adding an item to your shopping cart. Read. This is when you retrieve data from your database to display it to the user. Think about loading your news feed or viewing a product page. Update. This is when you modify existing data in your database. Think about editing your profile information or changing the quantity of an item in your cart. Delete. This is when you remove data from your database. Think about deleting a comment you posted or removing an item from your wish list. Let's dive into how to perform each CRUD operation using Firebase Create. To add new data, you use the method. You pass in an object containing the data you want to store. Firebase then assigns a unique ID to this new data. Read. To retrieve data, you can use the method. This will fetch all documents in a collection. You can also use to filter the data and get specific documents. Update. To update existing data, you use the method. You pass in the document ID and an object containing the fields you want to change. Delete. To remove data, you use the method. You simply pass in the document ID of the data you want to delete. Firebase makes CRUD operations a breeze. Its intuitive API and real-time capabilities simplify data management. You can focus on building awesome features instead of wrestling with complex back-end systems. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Firebase is a powerful tool to have in your arsenal. So why not give it a try and see how easy it is to build dynamic and data-driven web applications?